Do you want to know how the Danish Clapping Game is working? Awesome! I just conducted a 3-day workshop here in Bishkek with almost 100 participants, and one of the games we were doing to energize the whole group was the Danish Clapping Game. What is the Danish Clapping Game? Here are the rules, and for this you have to stand up. So the first thing, there's 3 movements you're doing. You're going with both hands to one side, to the other side, or up. Now we have the clapping. So we are starting with clapping on our legs, and then we decide for ourselves where to go. Let's go to this side, then we clap again, we decide where to go, let's go up, we decide where to go, we clap and decide where to go. Okay, and this is a little bit too easy, isn't it? So now we're going to have a partner and we're going to play this together. So we are clapping and then everyone decides where to do the move. When your partner and you are mirroring each other, then the next step is to clap and to give high five to them. And then you start again, clapping, and then you make your move. That's it. That's the Danish Clapping Game. It's a really cool, simple game, and it will help you and your team and maybe your workshop to have both brain parts activated again and to be able to absorb a lot of information. So what do you think? Is this hack something you would love to try out? Leave a comment below if you've done the Danish Clapping Game before and what were the results. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you want to see more videos how to make your teams happier and more productive, please subscribe to my channel, and I wish you an enjoyable and productive time.